guys, this is video me riding my bike but around this place. Oh, there's no signal. Yeah, so we got riding a bike, one-handed. One with me. But who is it? An abandoned swimming pool. There's a swimming pool there. It's fun being here now, but it'll be a bit of a video. Guys, show you some bits out of this place. There. So that's one of the cage things. There. Oh, it's not working. It's inside. Fox near it, but all around it, but get back on my bike. I'm just going to show you a small bit around it, but no, but on the video I'll take you back somewhere else. But these toilets there, locked, pure locked toilets. It's a preschool area. Toilets are there. They're not like toilets. I say toilets, but this place is just old. And no doorbells. Stuff and leave it about on there. Look, there's a bell. There's a bell and it doesn't work. Hey. What is in these places? They're not like, he's got Pakistan or somewhere. Don't be carving a long video today. It'll just be a minute. Now we're gonna leave the place. That's why I had to pause the video because it's just a bit. It's hard riding like this. Oh. The fox down there, but can't do that. That's done. Elsewhere. Let's go. Pretty fast. I'll end the video in a minute. Please subscribe to my channel, by the way. Show you a bit more Yeah, near 6 minutes. It's going to be a 6-minute video. 6 minutes hour. 6 minutes-ish. We pause the video, I'll tell you when I'm in. Woody also over there. Just doing this, something like that. I've been there before, but he likes to climb over the fence. That would be funny. I can't do it. Phone down. Mustn't be. There you go, it. I'll be a minute, guys. Oh, I have not paused it. Over. Oh, see the phone. Bye, guys. Have a lovely day. See ya. Bye.